Okay, should be a quick one. I wasn't actually planning on making a video today, but something I wasn't actually planning on making a video today, but something new just came in the mail, and at first I had no intention of doing an unboxing of this product. However, I realized it is a new product from Samsung and probably something that some people are curious about, and I know I was, and I couldn't find too much helpful information, or even just to look at it, like the size of it, the shape, how it works, what comes with it, and stuff like that. So this is a UV sanitizer with wireless charging, designed for Samsung. What it tells me that maybe similar to the case of those Samsung cameras, for smart things that I did a video on a while back. This might actually be made by Samsung, so something that Samsung sells on their website, but I'm not even sure. I didn't know that. I thought Samsung makes it. So if Fit Mobile Lifestyle Samsung CNT. Okay, well, either way, let's open it up and take a look. I already cut the seal. Like I said, I wasn't planning on doing the video first, but then I changed my mind real quick. I haven't opened this yet though, so I'm looking at it for the first time too. Okay, big white box. It says UV sanitizer on it. Nothing else here. Kind of cheap packaging. So it says Samsung CNT. I will need to look into that. I don't know what it is. I guess it's Samsung, but maybe not the main Samsung division. USB-C for charging, and it's light. I kind of have a feeling, here we go, that there is no wall plug. That's what I figured. All right, kind of grayish inside. And here's interesting. So there's light here and light there. And little tabs here that I guess will keep your device raised up, and I'm assuming that's how light gets underneath it. It's supposed to sanitize all over your device. It's pretty light. I mean, it looks nice and clicky. This is magnetic, so it looks good, but at the same time it feels somewhat flimsy. Kind of cheap, but I guess it's not a flagship phone we're unboxing here. It doesn't need to be perfect and premium. So UV sanitizer with wireless charging user manual. I think we'll figure it out. And down here is going to be a USB-C cable. Yeah, might as well take a look. Maybe see how long it is. USB-C for charging. No wall brick, which is fine. There's tons of those all over the place. So this is about, I don't know, about 2 feet, 2.5 feet long. Not very long at all. For example, for comparison, here's the cable that came with my phone with the Note 20 Ultra, and it's about half a foot longer. So yeah, I guess if this is a 3 feet, then the cable that comes with the sanitizer is about 2.5 feet. Other than that is regular USB 3 to USB-C. Well, let's plug it in and see what happens. I'm actually gonna use the charger that came with my phone, just because it's a little bit longer. Hopefully the reach is good. Stick it in, put it here. So my understanding is that all you gotta do is put your phone in and press a button, and it works for about 10 minutes, and then your phone is clean, sanitized. Couple of clarifications. No one states that this will kill coronaviruses, including the COVID-19. So, don't count on that. It might help, but it's probably not the kind of product you want if that's your primary concern. However, it should kill most of the bacteria. So, if you just touch your phone, which we all do all the time, and they say your cell phone is 10 times dirtier than a toilet seat. So, might be a good idea to sanitize it every once in a while. So I'm just gonna place the phone in there. Kind of almost barely fits. It's a big phone. I heard a beep, so it actually sounds like it started charging. Yep, it's wirelessly charging now. I'm gonna go ahead and test it. Okay, well, it's doing its thing. Now I'm just gonna sit here for 10 minutes and wait. While we're waiting, I just saw that here it says manufacturer Shenzhen Bifoxes Industries Design Co. Ltd. Made in China. So it's not made by Samsung, or at least it's not claimed to be made by Samsung. And Samsung CNT, I just quickly Googled it too. It's definitely part of Samsung, but it says the primary objective of the division that is called Samsung CNT is to engage in overseas trade and operations. So, it doesn't tell me much. I guess it's just the one that takes care of the branding to be sold for products to be sold overseas. Back to waiting. 10 minutes feels like forever. Ah, geez. Okay, it's done. It's been 10 minutes. The manual says, or the box rather, that the UV light generates heat. So it says be careful when handling. No, it's not hot. The sides here, barely warm, but I'm not going to touch the actual lamps in there. So I think the only problem I have so far is with the Note 20 Ultra is just, it's so big and wide. It's a little bit hard to put it in and take it out, but it definitely fits. Being one of the biggest phones that Samsung makes right now, it's the right size for it too. Well, the phone should be clean now. I'll do it again without the case, but for now, that takes care of it. One other thing I wanted to do real quick, since it's hard to tell in the video the actual size of the device, it's not huge, but it's a decent size. So I brought the game here just to sort of put it side by side, so to compare the size. You can see, so it's about as wide as the DVD or game case, a little bit longer, and definitely much thicker, probably about 4 times thicker. It's light though. It almost weighs the same as this game case with the game in it. Cool. Not so bad. Only other concern that I had was is the UV light safe for the screen, for the coating on the screen, and like glue that seals the phone together, things like that. I was assured by some people that know more about this stuff that it should be totally safe. Plus, I'm assuming if Samsung sells it themselves, they're not going to offer something that is going to damage your phone. So there it is. Pretty nice thing to have, not just for phones, but you can sanitize glasses, headphones, your wallet, your car keys, and all sorts of different things. So a nice thing to have around the house. I see they're getting really popular right now. There are many different brands you can buy on bestbuy.com, Amazon, there are tons. Now, of course, Samsung sells their own. I suspect they're so popular because of the global pandemic, and it's a little bit of a bummer to learn that it's not really meant to help with the coronaviruses or viruses in general. So more, for bacteria. So it may help or may not. I don't know. I'm not gonna count on that. But still, just to get the nasty stuff off your phone. Those little bacteria that you don't want there. I guess it's nice to have.